you reservation in the Oh, thank you. Do you have any luggage? Oh, can I take your phone? So follow me go to the receptionist and the registration.
Thank you very much.
Where from?
I'm from.
May.
My name is Sriani, and here are my friends.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay.
And you?
I'm Agus.
Oh.
I'm at West.
Please welcome to Hotel BSC. Good morning. Okay. How can I help you? I want to check in. Check in. Okay. Have you made reservation before? Yes. Yeah, I have reservation. Okay. Can I have your passport, please? This is my passport. Okay, thank you. Please wait a moment. I will check in first. Okay, I see your name here. You have booked directly deluxe room for tonight. Is that correct? Yes, I will. Okay, miss. I will just need your seat here. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Sorry, miss. Where is your friend? Oh, okay, restroom. Okay, miss. Thank you. For your room. Okay, miss. Your room is on the fourth floor, and this is your key card. So, your number room 031.
Yeah.
Okay. And for your information, our breakfast start from 10 p.m. And we also have a swimming pool, restaurant, gym. Yes, just that.
For the breakfast, where are the breakfast? Where are the
Okay, the breakfast is two floor. Two floor.
in the restaurant?
Okay, in the restaurant.
Thank you.
And our bellboy will escorting to your room. And if you need something to help, you can call our receptionist. Okay, bellboy, please. Okay, bellboy, this is our guest, and can you help me to escorting our guests to your room?
Yes, thank you. So, we have the luggage?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So, for the reservation in the registration, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So,